Alrighty, guys. Good morning and welcome to the live stream today. The market just opened and we're actually seeing the S&P 500 push back to the upside this morning as Apple is recovering and is going green, actually. Look at this huge candle at market open. Let's go, Apple. The earnings were actually pretty good last night. If you guys saw the numbers overall, they beat on revenue. They beat on EPS. Now they did say that there were some issues in the smartphone market in general, but they said that they actually countered the industry trend compared to other companies. So sounds pretty good here for Apple, guys. A lot of these numbers were beating. I noticed Mac revenue really beat estimates. iPhone revenue actually missed on estimates, and services revenue missed. But that huge beat on Mac revenue kind of made up for things. So looking pretty good there. Even their other products revenue was up. So great movement from them, guys. Great recovery. Bill W hit it on the head here. He says Apple to the moon. I think you got that right, but thank you, Keisha, Bill, Iranical, Marty Longoria, Jamie, and Bill again. Thank you so much for being here. Apple to the moon, though, for sure, Bill. I cannot wait to see where this one ends up today. Hopefully, it ends up quite a bit higher. It's up 3% right now. If we look at Apple on that daily chart, it's still pretty low. Yesterday at the low of day, it got all the way down to like that 144 support down there. Wow, what a big level. So crazy to see with that, but nonetheless, Apple is going insane, guys, all over the place. Amazon is honestly not doing as bad. I mean, it's coming back up. It is recovering now. There's a long way to go on this one. I wish that it would come up quick, but obviously, Amazon is it's trying here. I mean, it's only down 9%. It could have been down 20% if it would have closed down in the lows, but it almost just got back up to $100 or really close. Watch this one. I keep it on your radar today. I probably won't ever look at this one personally, but I just don't think it's going to be anything too crazy there with good old Amazon. And the Xbox says 12 people, 2 likes. Come on. That is some rookie numbers right there, Xbox. You are correct. Let's smash that like button, guys. Get those likes up. That'll really help us out here. SPY is blasting up above 381 today. What a play. Wow, what a move, guys. It's really recovering back with Apple. Thank God, because, man, we need this to happen. Let's see here. Sorry about that. I had my phone sound on and my CNBC alerts came through. Those alerts are clutch, guys. I would recommend you guys I'd recommend you download the CNBC app and turn on those big notifications, because, man, I will say that you can get some good ones on CNBC there. But yeah, let's go see what they're talking about here this morning. Mainly the recovery by Apple, I think, is the big thing. Dow opens higher, so fantastic. Those numbers yesterday, guys, with the GDP was awesome. I don't know if you guys remember that, but we did have those GDP numbers come out tomorrow morning, and they were actually positive. So great news with that. Looked awesome. Got to go back to Apple, though, guys. It's just exploding. We got to check it out. Yeah, there we go. What a crazy move. I mean, so parabolic on this. I'm really happy we're all the way back up to 150. What a big resistance up here. What a level. Wow. I'm going to have to throw a nice poll out here, guys. Whoa. I'm going to do, will Apple go green next week? You guys can check out the charts and see what you guys think. Stay the same. All right, guys, here's the poll. Here's your questions for Apple. Go ahead and take a nice vote here. I think you guys will like this one. Will Apple go green next week? If you vote yes, you're looking for a breakout up above 152. If you vote stay the same, you're looking for it to stay between 145 and 150, which is pretty much the range this week. And then if you say no, you're pretty much looking for a drop below like 145 or a big drop below like 144. So pretty cool poll. Let's see what Apple does, and let's see what you guys vote. I might take a little position on it. So far, 2 people are saying breakout above 152, which is pretty cool. That's awesome to see. Let's go to that 1 hour chart of Apple. You can tell that 152 there is a pretty big level, so we need to see a good breakout up above that. I think we can see it too. We definitely can. Good chance, I think. This was an amazing turnaround. I mean, what a series of events last night. Couldn't believe what I saw. Almost every stock was tanking down in after hours with Amazon for a second, but we came back in a good way. Amazing way, actually. I don't know if you guys saw this either, but Intel's up. Intel, which is a slow mover, they are up 9% right now. What a day. 9%. They had a really good move on their earnings here. Great to see that they're extending up on that daily chart. So go Intel. Hopefully they keep recovering. This one got so low, guys. It was just so oversold for a little while there. You can tell it was bouncing off that 26 support, kind of coming back up today off that support. Big resistance there, 28, but that recently we hit lows down there right around 25, and then we started pushing all the way back up to 27.50 before that big jump. So crazy stuff for Intel, guys, but their chart has been terrible this year, pretty much straight to the downside. Now, we've seen some bad moves, but this one, you know, as far as just straight downwards movement, almost takes the cake. Now, percentage-wise, it's not the craziest. It's like 50%. It had about a 50% drop, but, you know, nothing too crazy compared to some of these stocks out there. Man, it's been a crazy year when you say stuff like that. Good old Apple, though. Got to go back and look at it again. We're at 151 now, up above 150. Maybe we'll break 152 right now. Who the hell knows? That would be funny as hell. 4 votes though, guys. Come on, let's vote in the poll. Let's smash that like button. I'd appreciate it. Also, let me know what stocks you are looking for, and I will go ahead and throw it on the chart here. Maybe you guys have some nice runners, some big movers going. Hopefully you do. You know, it is Friday after all. Gotta gamble before the weekend, you know? No, I'm just joking. Hopefully you guys are making smart plays. FSLR reported earnings today. Nothing crazy. AMD's back on the uptrend. Nice. Nice to see that. NVDA, AMD moving back up. We'll take that any day of the week, I think. I like that. Yeah, I'll take that movement any day. All right, Amazon. I know you fell a little bit lower here last night, but can you please get a big breakout up above 100? That would be awesome. Man, I'd love to buy this one. Maybe it's better if it goes back down to 88, actually. Then I can buy it even lower. I'm thinking. Damn, AbbVie really came down with their earnings. Let's see what reported today. We have Exxon and Mobil and Chevron. So ZOM and CVX. So ZOM popped up and CVX popped up. They actually look like the same exact charts to me. I don't know if you guys see that either, but it looks like the same thing. Xbox says Tesla's balance sheet as of 10/24 long-term debt is at $2.1 billion and current debt is at $1.46 billion. Amounting to $3.55 billion in total debt, adjusted for $19.53 billion in cash equivalents. The company's net debt is at negative $15 billion. It actually sounds pretty good. Doesn't sound too bad, Xbox. I I know Tesla should be doing a lot better here too. Let's go look at their some of their numbers. So they have a price to sales ratio of 9.4, net profit margins of 14.9%. Price to sales, PE ratio 77. Yeah, I mean, interesting. Let's go see their free cash flow. Let's go look at their statements. Total debt, yeah, right there, 3.55 billion. You hit that on the head. Right there, net debt, negative 15. Let's go compare that to like a Ford. Let's go see like what Ford looks like. So Ford's EPS or price to sales is 0.3. Granted, Tesla does have higher profit margins and they're totally different, but so let's see them. So their total debt's 139 billion and their net debt is positive 118 billion. So interesting. Interesting when you compare those companies. Ha, Xbox cheated, yeah. You did. You looked at it before I did, you cheater. Come on, Spy, let's go. What a good breakout. What a breakout. Let's go. Wow, guys, I got an ice cold monster here next to me. Man, I will say this monster tastes so good right now. Let me know what you guys drink in the morning. Do you guys drink coffee, monsters, bangs? I don't know. Soda? Well, let me know what you guys are into for your energy. I know a lot of people in the Discord love Bang and love tons of pre-workout powders and stuff like that. TD Ameritrade told you. I love that, Xbox. Hey, Xbox, did you work last night? MNST. Wow, MNST's coming up, guys. Whoa. It's actually at a big resistance at 93. You might be able to have a good breakout. Looking at that daily chart, though, MNST just continues to hold strong. I mean, what a good setup. Still holding up there. Wow, Bill drinks Red Bull. That's awesome, Bill. I'm into Red Bull a lot, too. I love Red Bull. You know what I really love with Red Bull, Bill? I love Crown and Red Bull. Like some Crown Peach with Red Bull. I don't even know if you could, oh, you'd have to take that away from me if we had that. Hey, Ironical's got tea. Xbox says, yup, I have 15 minutes and I go home. Nice, Xbox. That's awesome. I know you're always driving when we're streaming here. Let me know what stocks to watch during today's drive. I'll I'll keep talking about those. Wow, Marty Longoria is on his third coffee. Damn, there we go. I was expecting a lot of people to say that they would be drinking coffee. Yeah, Keisha says coffee in my cream. LOL. Oh man, you got me dying, Keisha. Coffee in my cream. Oh, typical Keisha. Darn it. Yeah, I actually drink coffee black when I drink it usually. Yeah, I drink it black, but I will say for some reason I like it black, but I like the sugar in it. You know, I love the sugar in it, but I like it black. Or I really like I really like a good mocha coffee, like a very not a sweet one, like a good mocha. Bill says coffee with a Red Bull chaser. Damn, Bill, be careful. That sounds like a hard thing to mix. Marty says I like Crown slash Smirnoff with a vodka slash Red Bull. Yeah, me too, Marty. Crown. Yeah, Crown with the Red Bull. I don't know about Smirnoff. That sounds oof. Man, Marty. Marty, you're questioning my faith. The Smirnoff. Man, I haven't had Smirnoff in forever, Marty. I remember I thought that tastes like gasoline or something. Good old Smirnoff though. Bang Mocha for Peter. Yeah, awesome. Bang Mocha. Bill says I couldn't read my charts. Yeah, those bangs are really good though, guys. If you guys haven't tried those, try those things. They are good. I will say though, I just prefer my original Monster and my Red Bull. Like for example, this can of Monster says it has 160 milligrams of caffeine, whereas a Bang would have like 300. So just keep that in mind. Those Bangs are a lot stronger. But man, this Monster is just iconic tasting. And for all of my guys who are the Big Mac lovers in here, look at McDonald's once again. Let's go. McDonald's. Wow. Come on. That's awesome. What a great post earnings move though. I mean, that's awesome for McDonald's there. Wow. That's great. And I know a lot of people have talked to me about all the McRibs I've been eating over the past couple weeks, and or I should say this week. I had number 5 and 6 I think yesterday. I had 2 more yesterday. I had one at like 6 p.m. and then I technically had one today at like 3 in the morning, which is funny. Haven't been feeling too good the past few days, so it was kind of hard to sleep, but I woke up last night and got excited for a McRib and had a nice 3 a.m. snack with one. So we'll take it. Should have bought some McDonald's call options yesterday, that's for sure. Let's check out that daily chart of McDonald's. Wow. Wow. It's at almost at all-time highs. Holy crap. Yeah, it is, Peter. Yearly highs and I think all-time highs. Yes, all-time highs. Wow. That is awesome, Peter. What a crazy move. Yeah, almost to all-time highs. Wow. Let's go. Let's go, McDonald's. I will say, though, guys, McDonald's is one of those safer stocks that people love to buy and hold in their portfolios for the long term. And look at it right now. What a safe move. Just continuing to move amazingly well. Another one that I love is Kraft Heinz. It's trying to go green today. I love this one. I think it's another fantastic hold in your portfolio. Just a really nice, safe moving stock. I will say you might not want to maybe necessarily buy it up here in the top of the range. Maybe buy it more towards 35. But I really like the play overall, and it should move pretty well with inflation. It's like a nice slow mover. It's not going to obliterate your account or anything like that, especially maybe for the next year as the market's so whack. Might not be a bad idea to hold some of these safer stocks. But going back to that SPY, let's see if we're moving back up, and it looks like we have maybe hit like a resistance here around 383. So keep that on the radar, guys. 383 seems like a temporary intraday high here on the SPY. We'll have to see. Maybe the SPY can fall back down and bounce off of 380 before continuing back up. But yeah, we'll take it. Definitely not bad. Definitely not bad at all. I mean, great movement overall today. Let's see Boeing. Let me check my watch list real quick. Let's see what we have running up. Wow, Pinterest is actually all the way up with earnings yesterday. They rose 15%. Wow. Is Meta popping back up? Oh, come on. Come on, Meta. Oh, Meta's terrible. I know Bravo Mo's going to be like, I told you. We have 11 votes so far. 55% of you guys say yes, Apple will break out above 152. 36% stay the same between 145 to 150 next week, and then 9% say no, falling under 145. So, wow, it seems like the majority of you guys are looking for a breakout, but I will say a lot of you guys voted for it to stay between 145 and 150 as well. So, very interesting. Yeah, Pinterest is on fire. I mean, that was a crazy move with their earnings, up 14%. Thanks for joining the stream, Saram. Let's go. Thanks for calling out Pinterest. I appreciate that. It's on fire. I wouldn't have probably seen it if you didn't call it out. So, fantastic. It is leading my watch list, but wow, GameStop and AMD are almost at the top of my watch list too. GameStop's up there. AMD. Come on, AMD. It's getting back up into that range from last week. Or I should say this week. All right, Spy. I spy you going up. 385. That would be nice. That's a big resistance up there, guys. I was really looking for that bounce off 381 here and then to move back down today, but I'm glad that we blasted right up through 381. I'll take it. I mean, if you guys look in Discord under the free day trading section, I actually posted SPY today. I had a breakout above 381. You could run into some quick calls for a scalp. If we get rejected here and we would have fell down, obviously look at puts if that rejection came in, but we did not get rejected. We ran up through, and it looks like SPY actually has a lot of upwards momentum right now. So let's go. SPY's breaking out. All you would have had to done to find this play, guys, is literally just join the Discord, check out the hashtag day trading section under the general tab on the channels on the left side of the Discord screen. So that's all you had to do. Maybe just put a little alert at 381 and just play the break. Sometimes you can catch these really good scalps in there, and they are free actually. So check those out. There's even more types of those plays in the premium sections of the Discord as well. But yeah, crazy stuff. I mean, these scalps are actually really good. I think that you could take some pretty good advantage of that stuff. At Julius Luca. I'm adding Julius Luca in the there's a guy in named Julius Luca in the discussion channel who's like brand new to trading. He's very young. He doesn't have too much money, but he's kind of learning the market here, and he's I'm gonna try to teach him with SPY today a little bit, because he was just asking some crazy questions this morning. He was asking just like, hey, what penny stock is gonna double right now, and like I'm like, man, that's a crazy thing to ask. Let me just help him out real quick. What a crazy move, though. Good breakout. Let's go back to Apple real quick. Maybe Pinterest. Yeah, everything's slowing down. JP Morgan. There we go. SPY popping up above 381, breaking out in a big way. What about good old Apple? There we go. Turning back around, guys. Apple's moving back up. There we go. That's exactly what we want to see. Another continuation. Maybe get a break of like 152 there. There we go. Come on, let's get a big breakout above 152. Let's see it. I'm not sure we're going to get it, though, because it's already up 4%. Its average move is 1.39. Wow. Come on, Apple. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Bull flag on SPY, 1 minute chart. Is there? There's a bull flag on SPY? I guess I kind of see it. Let's see, let's see. We got to see that flag. Ah. Ah. Yeah, kind of. There was definitely one right here. I'll give you that. Definitely one right there, but come on. It's at least holding that bottom trend line, which is great. Come on. Come on, SPY. Let's go, let's go. Getting some big breakouts here above 380, 381. We'll take it. We'll take it. That's awesome. I spy something that is green. Me too, Keisha. Look at that. New high of the day. Let's go. What a good flag. Thank you for calling that out, Iranical. That was a pretty good call, real quick. Almost missed it. I almost didn't get to draw it out in time, but all right, let's go, Spy. Come on. We don't want to have a little fake out move here. No rookie moves. We want to see a nice breakout. Come on. It's already breaking out a lot, so I'm a little bit worried we might slow down, but come on. Let's at least try 385. That would be nice. Nice move up here out of that little flag. Take that. Haha. Marty says coffee with Bailey's. Hell yeah. I've actually never had that, Marty, but I know a lot of people like that. It's definitely something funny. I know a lot of people get those Irish coffees. I think that's what that is, isn't it? Or is that just coffee with whiskey in it? Or is Bailey's whiskey? I'm so confused. I thought Bailey's was like a creamer. Maybe it's a whiskey cream or something. Peter says Pinterest on the yearly looks great for a breakout to $30 from here. It just needs a bit more momentum. Yeah, look at Apple though, real quick, up above 152 now, guys. It started to momentarily break out, so watch Apple, keep it on the watch list. It's starting to have a secondary move here to the upside. Hopefully we see a continued push up from them. But let's check it out. He said Pinterest possibly up to 30 bucks. Possible move. Yeah, that is a pretty big resistance up around. There's one at 28, and then there's also one at 30. I could see us at least running up to 28 or 30 as well, Peter. I think it also looks like a pretty good chance for a breakout. It's been it filled that gap to the downside, double bottom around $20 and 60 cents or 50 cents, somewhere really close to that. Pretty much $20.50 coming back up. So yeah, pretty good move, Peter. I kind of like it, picking up some shares down here at the bottom, playing it off these supports and holding it back up to like 30 bucks or 28. Might not be bad, Peter. Pretty safe move there. Yeah, Keisha, it went. It started running, didn't it? Let's see. Oh, come on, Apple. No slow movement, only straight up from here, okay? Please, only straight up. We don't want any downwards movement, guys. Only moves straight to the upside for us. That's it. Hey, Keisha, I know another one that's going to make you happy today is Kroger. Holy shit, guys. Kroger really broke out above 46 today. What a pop. Let's go. Let's go, Kroger KR. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. What a break. That was a big level from yesterday, guys. Lots of resistance there. And really nice breakouts today. Awesome. That could have been a great day trade if I would have seen this. Damn. Too bad we didn't see that yesterday and throw it on a special list or something. Good old Lucid. Not really doing too much. How's Ford after their earnings? Hey, we'll take it. Ford's kind of holding up. There we go. On the daily, it's recovering a little bit. All right. I'm glad it's recovering up a little bit at least. We got to be really careful with this setup. Holy shit. Guys, this setup on Ford looks like a textbook Head and Shoulders again. Damn. I wish this wasn't the case either, because damn. I don't want that. Here, I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about here. Wow. So we went bam, 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 bam. Well, I guess I do that. Bam, bam. See how like we're kind of starting to do this now, and I'm a little bit worried we're going to kind of follow that pattern like that again, guys. And I mean, that's pretty spot on. I hope that it looks better drawn out with a line. But I mean, like here, I'll actually circle it. Like you can just see like touch, touch, perfect touches, perfect touch, perfect touch. Even right here, I mean, there was like perfect. I can't believe that. There was even like perfect like little touches like right there. So crazy, guys. I mean, honestly, crazy setup with Ford. I would love to get Ford for the longer term. I think they pay decent dividends too, unless maybe hang on. I think Ford might have cut or even discontinued their dividends a while ago. Let's see. Maybe they brought them back. Okay, so it's at 4.62%. That's good. Maybe they just cut it before is what they did, but I know that for a little while there, Ford was looking a little bit rough. But yeah, right now looking pretty crazy in this setup. I'm a little bit worried it might fall back down maybe towards that red line around $8 or so. Hopefully that's not the case, but figured I'd play that. I'd show that setup there because man, that is an insane setup. I mean, wow. I've seen that setup so many times, and it's so textbook because of like exactly where you see these bounces here. That is just like what makes this such a textbook play. But we got to really watch this little uptrend that we're seeing right now because we need to see like rejection here around like 1350 or so. And it might be maybe a good opportunity to try and short this, but post earnings, I don't know. We'll have to see what the market does because that is a pretty big support down there. Not gonna lie, it's gonna be tough to break below $11 or so. But let's go back to good old KR. I know Keisha is probably happy about that one. Let's see. Yeah, she's like, I told you a couple days ago on KR. Yeah, you did. Hey, Xbox says, I'll be AFK on the way home. Can you check Walmart, Amazon, Dollar General, and Dollar Tree? Definitely will, Xbox. I'll do that. Jackson, hey, thanks for joining up today. Hopefully you're having a great end of the week. He's saying TLT is going green now on the day. That is awesome. That means TNX must be going back down, and it does look like that is the case today. Let's go look at the US dollar. Yeah, the dollar's just kind of holding its ground today, not really doing too much. What about US 10Y? Yeah, the 10-year yield's fallen off a lot. It looks a little bit better than TNX does, but yeah, awesome stuff, Jackson. Yeah, TLT going back up now. It might be a good play to get some TLT back to the upside, honestly. I know it looks a little bit parabolic here, but it might, I mean, with the way that this thing fell, we might see a bit of like a V-shaped recovery back up. I'm not saying we'll see anything huge, but I mean, I could easily see a move back up to 100, if not even like 108 on TLT. So watch it, guys. It could actually be a pretty good little trade if you are looking to maybe play, make a play on some of these rates. Now, it's nothing crazy. You might make like 10% to the upside up to 108 from here, but it's still pretty good. All right, Xbox, I'll get into Walmart for you first. Good old WMT. Keisha said Apple's breaking out again. Damn, there we go. Keeps going, but yeah, going back to Walmart, it's had a great rip up the past couple weeks here. Amazing move, actually, from 130 all the way up to highs around 142. We'll take that move almost any day of the week there, Xbox. So, honestly, really fantastic. But I will say it ran right up into resistance. I'm still very bullish on this setup overall with Walmart. But I feel like that we might get a couple days, if not even like a week of consolidation, maybe like a little move down like this or so, before we start really breaking back out. So I would really watch out for a little bit of a consolidation move here. It's been on a crazy uptrend the past couple weeks, and it can definitely continue up. Watch it. If it breaks out above 143, you might want to start playing it up again. But personally, I think it might consolidate a little bit before it goes. But I love this setup. I think it's a very bullish play right now. It's looking good heading into the holidays, and yeah, it's definitely not bad. So as far as Walmart goes, you also asked about good old Amazon. Now, Amazon's extremely low right now. They had a bad outlook ahead of the holiday season, which is not good. You can see right here. The headline, Amazon misses on holiday forecast and cloud growth and profit. So pretty crazy, though, to see them miss on their holiday forecast, which worries me a lot, which means that I think that it's showing that a lot of consumers are going to start trying to save money, and they're going to change their spending habits this holiday season. Obviously, inflation's been going crazy. It's been causing a lot of stuff to happen throughout the market with spending, and people are buying, for example, maybe cheaper products and blah 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 all across the board. Now, not with everything, for example, like with Apple, apparently people, there's like an uptick in their premium phones while the cheaper ones are still more expensive. But keep in mind, whenever you buy a lot of phones, you know, you usually get them with like the payment plan and, you know, all that bullshit that they get you doing. You know, it's like the new iPhone is like $40 a month on your bill or something. You know, it's weird how they do that stuff now, but yeah, pretty crazy. But yeah, Amazon's down below 100 right now. Bad outlook. I feel like getting shares of Amazon Xbox is amazing, but for the next couple weeks, I'm just gonna still just keep Amazon on the radar because that was a pretty nasty drop, and I'm pretty worried about it here. Obviously, that's crazy, but yeah, if you guys are liking the stream, don't forget to smash that like button. That'll really help us out. We have 10 likes, 11 votes in the poll, and 16 current people watching or concurrent viewers. So if you guys would like, please smash that like button. It would definitely help out the streams quite a bit. Also, vote in the poll if you guys are looking to make some predictions about Apple next week. The majority of you guys are actually voting about for a breakout above 152, which is nice, and I don't blame you considering it's above 152 right now. So that's funny, but yeah, some people also voted for it to stay the same. Only 9% voted for it to fall under 145, which that would be a pretty bad move now if it fell under 145, but it could happen, you know, if the market tanks. But yeah, I appreciate you guys joining up. Jackson says if CCL follows NCLH, let's go look at NCLH real quick. That CCL put you called earlier this week is going to wind until being a nice play. Yeah, you're probably right, Jackson. I don't even remember calling out CCL. Let's go see. Is that the day trading channel? Or was this on YouTube? It might have been on the videos. That's right. CCL puts though, yeah, NCLH is really down. CCL starting to fall down a little bit more too. Yeah, it's a big support there. Around 844. We might have talked about this in last night's video. Poor CCL. I feel bad for this one. Okay, yeah, YouTube video earlier in the week. Okay. That makes sense. Yeah, 845. What a huge level, though, for CCL. Come on. Come on, let's fall down. I hate to say that for them, but... yeah, NCLH is starting to fall down a little bit here. NCLH is very overextended in the short term. I mean, straight up from 1150 all the way up to 1650. So we have to see a pullback eventually. This might not be a bad little put swing, guys. For real, this might not be a bad one. All right, Spy, are you still moving up? Ooh, Spy came back down to retest 381 for us. But it is holding up at 381, so watch out for it, guys. Looks like we ended up falling out and below that bottom trend line. Damn, too bad I wasn't looking at it at the time. Yeah, look at that. We fell out below that bottom trend, and then we confirmed off of it and moved lower. So what a crazy move here on SPY. That's kind of nuts, actually. Damn. That sucks. That sucks it fell down and out of it for us. At least it held at 381, though. I'll take that. We'll take that. All right, Apple, are you moving back? Apple's kind of going back up, guys. When Keisha said it earlier, she pretty much hit the top there at 152.60, and we're pushing back. We're getting closer again. Come on, Apple. Come on, come on. All right, let's go ahead and see what we have next week on the I guess I could say on the economic calendar here. I have a lot of crazy economic data. Oh yeah, duh. Next week we have the FOMC meeting and the interest rate decision. Don't forget about that on Wednesday. That's going to be fucking nuts. Along with earnings next week. Jeez. Oh, the earnings next week are going to be crazy too. That unemployment rate for September's coming out. Friday we get the non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate for October. So, wow, it's getting to be insane, guys. What a crazy year. FOMC meeting. You guys excited for that? I know a lot of people are probably getting pissed at the FOMC meetings now. For a little while last year, it was amazing. Every time there was an FOMC meeting, the market popped up and ended up being great for a while, but now it's looking extremely rough. There we go, though, guys. Apple just broke on the 1 minute. Just got a big breakout there. New high of the day, 153, Keisha says. Let's go. Let's go, guys. This is an amazing recovery. I mean, we were reading those earnings last night, and we were lost. I mean, there was so many good things about it. Like they said, they they countered the trend in their sector, which was awesome. Where is that? Right here. They countered their industry trends on the phone. If you look at third-party estimates of what the smartphone industry did, so crazy with that. I mean, and then they beat on revenue and EPS, and overall did pretty well. I mean, honestly, everything came in just slightly above expectations. Fantastic moves, though. Amazing breakout. Let's go. Smash that like button for Apple, guys. That is awesome. All you gotta do is just keep playing these little breaks on the high of the day. You could probably get some quick 5%ers on some options. 5 to 10% real quick. It's getting a little bit overextended now, though. SPY's going back up into its high of day. I'm going to go ahead and delete these wedges off of here. There we go. Yeah, pretty good way to end the week. Though, guys. The market's going green. I mean, I'll take that. Pretty good. Pretty awesome. Very nice. I know yesterday we were talking a lot about shorting puts. If anybody still has any questions about that, feel free to let me know. I know I told you guys I would still answer some of those, and we're getting towards the end of the stream, so figured I would throw it out there again if anybody had any more questions about it. Oh, or good old reality income popping back up. Good old O. That thing's really recovering up. I know some of you guys were talking about playing O in here. I can't remember exactly who it was, but I remember some people talking about O. Five-minute chart up above 6180. Fantastic. Wow, KR just kept going, Keisha. Wow. It just kept running and running today. Holy shit. This is insane. 2.85%, almost 3%. Wow. Oh, that monster tastes good. What about AMD? Oh, not the best move. I'd like to see something a little bit better out of them. Nvidia doesn't look too bad, though, around 130 or so. Let's go check out Apple again. That seems to be like the only thing really moving here today. 153.74. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Microsoft's kind of following along. Looks like they're going to break the high of day two. What about SPY? SPY's kind of not... Man, Apple's really pushing up. I would have expected SPY to do better. Oh, I guess I will say Tesla's dying off. That might counteract it a little bit. Damn, though. What a move. Holy. Wow. Wow. 6% now. Holy crap. Could you imagine all the... Imagine if you bought calls last night and then this morning you saw this movement. Oh my gosh. Last night you would have been so upset, and then this morning you would have been like, holy shit. You'd be jumping up and down with so much joy today. Wow. Keisha's in it. Up 136% so far. Expiration 11/11. Nice play, Keisha. Wow. What a jump. I mean, we're really breaking out now. I would say, though, guys, watch out. I mean, we're going to hit resistance soon. I will say that. We are going to hit resistance sometime soon. I would say around 155, if not even maybe like 154.50, like kind of like where we are, but somewhere around 155, I'd think. Wow. This is such a parabolic move. I cannot even believe what I'm seeing. And you know what? KR is still doing it too. KR is keeping up its trend too. KR's had like 20 green candles in a row over the past 20 minutes. Jeez. Intel looks a lot better. ZOM. MSFT. There we go. Microsoft breaking that high of day like we thought. You know, we looked at it a minute ago. It was at 230.44. Now it's all the way up to 231, 232. Like I thought, it kept pushing up with Apple. There we go. Cat still has a nice post-earnings pop going on. Let's go. I mean, what a great day. What a great day. Is DraftKings up? No! 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 What is happening? Oh, come on. Come on, DraftKings. Get back up there. The market's going green, DraftKings. What the fuck? Come on. Not good. Bad DraftKings. How dare them do this to us? It's not totally unexpected, though. Wow. I was expecting them to at least be green. Jesus. You gotta at least be green today, right? I mean, come on. There is a lot of stocks on my watch list down in the red, though, by a lot. I mean, of course, Amazon, like that makes sense. They just died 20% on earnings. They're not going to get back green. But, yeah, like a lot of these stocks are back in the red, like Square. Square's down. Tesla's down. PayPal's in the red. CCJ. Tesla. Asana's red. BLNK. Like the growth stocks. The growth stocks are dying today, but the market-making stocks are doing great. Damn. That sucks. Crazy buyers coming in, guys. I mean, it's a great day. Bad day for growth. Great day for the market-making stocks like Walmart, Kroger, Apple, Microsoft, stocks like that. Let's check out the heat map, actually. That'll help us out a little bit. Yeah. Like PG, Procter & Gamble. A lot of the big tech stocks are up. Nvidia. McDonald's again. What's this one? Charter, CHTR, T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T. Intel's up. The only bad ones, obviously, are Amazon. Target's down 2%. But yeah, lots of stocks are up across weird sectors here. So I know Xbox talked about Dollar Tree earlier. I figured I'd go back to that for him. So Dollar Tree Xbox is almost breaking out right now as we speak. Looking pretty hot today and pretty hot in general. I know that Dollar Tree and Dollar General generally do better during times of high inflation and stuff like that. So watch these stocks. I think they could do pretty well. Let's go back to 08 and see how these stocks performed. So look at this. In 2008, Dollar Tree dipped down, obviously, just like everything did. But look at how quickly it recovered up and then some. Just a couple years later, as that economy was terrible there for a couple years, Dollar Tree really benefited from that. And I think that the same thing might be happening here again. I will say, though, Dollar Tree, it's not the best time to buy, in my opinion. It is pretty high. But overall, I mean, with the market conditions we're in, it should do pretty well. Now, DG or Dollar General, let's see them. They're even higher, and they've been holding up almost even better. So crazy with Dollar General here. But yeah, crazy move up with this one, Xbox. I really do like these stocks over the next couple months. I know a lot of people will say, well, they're all the way up at highs. And yes, that's the case, but they do have a lot of momentum and they're starting to run up in a pretty good way here. So I like Dollar Tree and Dollar General too, Xbox. It's just, obviously they aren't my favorite. It's not like they're anything too crazy. Xbox says, thoughts on coming diesel shortage. There's going to be a diesel shortage, Xbox? Who said that? That has me confused. I didn't know that there was a diesel shortage coming up. That sucks. Keisha says, I've been screaming about Dollar Tree the past couple weeks, and on Tuesday I said in Discord they have another leg up. Dollar Tree has been very generous to me. That's awesome, Keisha. I'm glad it's been helping you out, though. Especially in this shitty market. Jeez. Tom, remember when I said DraftKings is so confusing? When the market's up, DraftKings is down and vice versa. Yeah, I know, Keisha. It seems like that is the case half the time. Jeez. I know it doesn't have the biggest, and let's go see how correlated it is again. So it has a 0.76 correlation to SPY, which isn't the best, but interesting. Wow, poor DraftKings. It's just hitting right off resistance again. Looks like it's probably going to fall down. If it does fall down, I'm averaging in more, I'll tell you that. I'm buying more. Can never have enough of it. Min says, it was on the news this morning for diesel shortage. Maine and northern area will get hard. Damn. That sucks. I didn't know that. I didn't hear any of that. Let's go see if maybe they have it on CNBC at all. They usually are pretty good with putting this stuff here. Wow, yeah. $25 days of supply left. Damn. They want this to happen, though, you know? Like, honestly, they want the diesel shortage, because then they're going to say, switch to electric. You know? Like, I know exactly what they're going to do. Switch to electric. All right, Keisha says, what's Shopify doing? Yeah, it's actually not doing much today, Keisha. It's kind of falling back down. Hit a big double top here around 34.50. I also have resistance up here around 35. So, yeah, it kind of hit right off resistance there and falling back down, unfortunately. I will say, though, Shopify, the setup's been looking pretty hot the past week, and keep it on the radar, because if we start to see a continued breakout here, I think Shopify will be a great stock for the next few weeks. But obviously, it's a growth stock. A lot of growth stocks are down today, so Shopify is kind of moving exactly how DraftKings is. You can actually see today their setups look almost spot on as far as the movement goes. So interesting. But yeah, I appreciate everybody joining up on the stream today. I hope you guys have a great weekend and a great rest of your Friday. Hopefully you guys can make some fantastic profits today. I know Keisha was already up 130%. Like, geez, Keisha, you're on fire lately. You're on fire. But yeah, thanks you, Keisha, Min, Xbox, Jackson, Bill W, Peter, Trading Lifestyle, Marty Longoria, Iranical, Bill W, of course. We got to get some of that coffee and Bailey's going here, Marty. No, I'm just joking, but thank you, Jamie, too. I appreciate everybody joining up. It's been a pretty good day. Overall, we've seen some fantastic price action in the market. Lots of moves up, but also there's been a lot of moves back down today, unfortunately. But that SPY just got pretty close to hitting 385, so fantastic potential play there. But have a great weekend, guys. I appreciate you guys joining up and always giving me good stocks to look at and everything like that. But have a good day. I'll see you guys on Discord, of course. As the day goes on, I'll be in there all throughout the day. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day and a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later.